step one is blowing out all the dust from down around the boots and stuff for your new coils. If you're just replacing your spark plugs, you just want to do this as well. I would make sure you get all the dust and crap that's built up around those coil boots, because if any of that falls down into your spark plug hole or into your cylinder, you're going to have some problems. So. This one doesn't require a whole lot of specialized tools. We're going to go ahead and use our 7mm socket, 14mm socket, some extensions, bars, electrical grease, anti-seize. Got our new spark plugs and our new coils that we're going to be installing. First thing, we're going to disconnect our ground on our battery just to make sure that we disconnect the power, since we'll be working on some of the power stuff in here. Just move that out of the way. Your coils sit right down in here. We've got our anti-seize. This stuff gets everywhere. And you just need a teeny bit around those threads. Reverse it first, thread it in. Make sure we do it by hand. That way we don't cross thread anything in there. Feels good. Torque that sucker down. All the big yards will want. Got my dielectric grease, my new coil. I'm going to put a little bit of grease down in this coil.
I can do it. Hey, look.
When you put the new coils in, there's a little tab right here that lines up with the tab. You want to make sure that this tab goes on the opposite side. So when you're torquing this down, there we go. This tab holds onto this tab, so when you're torquing it down, it doesn't twist this out of place. So make sure it's on the right side as you're screwing it in clockwise. You want to make sure that that tab stays where it's at. Just like that. See that tab there? That way as I torque that down, it won't move on me. All right. And done. That's all 8.